Welcome to our channel. Today we're bringing you an exciting topic: revitalize your nerves with 10 incredible healing drinks. These beverages are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote nerve repair and support overall nerve health. First on our list is the rejuvenating green tea. Packed with polyphenols, this powerful drink helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, giving your nerves a much-needed boost. Next up, we have the mighty powerhouse of berries, blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, these little berries protect your nerves from damage and improve cognitive function. Moving on, we have the delicious and refreshing orange juice. Packed with vitamin C, it reduces inflammation in your nerves and helps increase nerve regeneration. Now, let's talk about lemon water. This simple yet potent drink contains limonoids that help cleanse and repair damaged nerves, while also boosting your immune system. Ginger tea deserves a spot on our list too. This warming drink reduces inflammation and aids in nerve tissue healing, soothing any discomfort you may be experiencing. For a sweeter option, we suggest indulging in a cup of cocoa. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that improve blood flow, protecting and enhancing your nerves' functionality. And who can forget about the natural goodness of coconut water? This hydrating beverage is rich in electrolytes, ensuring optimal nerve cell communication and repair. Adding turmeric to your drinks can work wonders. Curcumin, found in turmeric, reduces nerve inflammation and promotes the growth of new nerve cells, supporting overall nerve health. To spice things up, we have the fiery hot chili pepper. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, helps soothe nerve pain and enhance nerve regeneration. Last but not least, we have the classic favorite, green smoothies. These nutrient-packed blends contain spinach, kale, and other greens that improve nerve function and reduce inflammation. So, there you have it, 10 healing drinks to revitalize your nerves. Incorporate these beverages into your daily routine and experience the ultimate repair your nerves need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.